Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can remove news from the lock screen. See here, the phone is locked, right? When you turn on, there is some news displaying or short feed stories displaying on your mobile. Actually, you can turn that off with a single option. One option you need to disable that. First of all, we'll see on this Realme mobile, and later we'll see on this Motorola mobile. So I'll be keeping this aside. First, on the Realme, you need to click on Android phone settings. As we are dealing with the lock screen settings, you need to reach to home and lock screen. See here, home and lock screen. So tap on home and lock screen. Then again you need to go to the lock screen here. Yeah, not lock screen. Under lock screen, if you can see, there is one option called glance for Realme. Say for example, if your mobile is Xiaomi Mi mobile, glance for Mi will be there. Tap on this and see here, this option is enabled, right? You need to disable this. Now when the phone is locked, when you unlock this, you won't see that stories or news feed. Say for example, this is Motorola, right? There is no glance for this, but even though if something is displaying on the notification, that notifications on the lock screen, some news or something, that may be due to the news notifications. See here, on my mobile there is Google News app installed on my mobile, and there were notifications by that app. In order to disable such notifications on the lock screen, you need to click on your Android phone settings, then reach to home screen and lock screen, home and lock screen, then again click on lock screen, and here wake screen for notifications. You need to disable this option, wake screen for notifications. So now when you're on lock screen, even if you receive any notification like news or something, it won't be displaying on the lock screen. In this way you can actually remove or disable news from the lock screen. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.